Good afternoon. It's another beautiful day for us across the area, but fairly hot by June standards, although it is just the first day of June. Some fair weather cumulus clouds out there from our Bachman Auto camera. And something your weather app isn't going to tell you is that today was our first 90-degree day of the year, and we're going to see a few more 90-degree days before the first week of June is done. That said, it's also been fairly dry since April, really, and we are getting close to drought conditions, so we do need a widespread soaking rain. Nothing really here in the metro. There was one shower south of Fern Creek, but that has since fallen apart. Broader view of the area shows we do have some activity, but this is really near the Bluegrass Parkways, and it's been very slow moving, very isolated as well. Getting in just a little bit closer here, central Marion County, you have been the jackpot winner for today when it comes to a little bit of rain. Lebanon, a downpour has just formed right on top of you, and we're going to see this move into extreme eastern portions of LaRue County there with a couple of these thunderstorms, one there in southern Nelson County, also moving into northern Taylor County as well. But I mentioned those drought conditions were technically just abnormally dry on the low end here. But if we don't see any widespread rain within the next week, which I don't believe we will, when the next drought monitor update comes out next Thursday, we're probably going to see this expand a little bit, and we might see the drought conditions also get a little bit worse, expanding into that moderate category. We could have a couple of isolated downpours over the next couple of days, but as I said, we really need that widespread soaking rain, and that is not showing up for some time. Overnight, we'll have a clear sky, waking up to those temperatures in the 60s. Well, we'll be a little bit milder here in the metro, and will be even warmer tomorrow afternoon. That urban heat island, a whole bunch of sunshine, lower 90s here, upper 80s elsewhere. The good news is that we'll have a northeast wind, which means it's going to be a dry heat and no high humidity, thankfully, as we head through the rest of our weekend. Saturday morning, starting off sunny and on the mild side, we'll once again find ourselves in the lower 90s. Maybe a couple of those isolated downpours, but I believe Sunday will be the better opportunity to maybe see some of those isolated showers or thunderstorms, and we're still going to be staying on the very warm side. 89 degrees here in the metro right now, 80s across the board for us. No heat index because the air is very dry. Hometown forecast tomorrow, 91 here in the city, upper 80s elsewhere. We could have a couple of our other friends in neighboring communities hit the lower 90s. 7-day forecast showing 90s through our Crusade weekend. Then temperatures will slowly and gradually decline through next week, closer to seasonal values. But Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday all show signs of some isolated pop-up downpours or thunderstorms similar to what we've been experiencing. Otherwise, the first week of June looking to stay relatively hot and dry.